Saludos a todos.
Glad to have you back at Jeremy Watson Educational Center, the perfect place to learn Spanish in a fun and simple way. In this lesson, we'll cover Spanish numbers from 31 to 50, including pronunciation, practice repeats, examples, and a quick quiz. Are you ready to get started? Let's begin with numbers 31 through 40. Repeat after me.
31,
31,
32,
32,
33,
33,
34,
34,
35,
35,
36,
36,
37,
37,
38,
38,
39,
39,
40.
40. Good job. Now let's continue with numbers 41 to 50.
41,
41,
42,
42,
43,
43,
44,
44,
45,
45,
46,
46,
47,
47,
48,
48,
49,
49,
50.
50. Wow! Great! Let's do a quick review of the Spanish numbers from 31 to 50 together. 31,
31,
32,
32,
33,
33,
34,
34,
35,
35,
36,
36,
37,
37,
38,
38,
39,
39,
40,
40,
41,
41,
42,
42,
43,
43,
44,
44,
45,
45,
46,
46,
47,
47,
48,
48,
49,
49,
50.
50.
You're doing great. Quick practice round. Teacher and student conversation. Teacher,
Now it's practice time. I'll ask the questions, and you try to answer.
student,
Okay, I'll try my best.
teacher,
What is
35,
student,
That's 35.
teacher,
perfect? Now your turn. Give me the Spanish for 41.
student,
41.
teacher,
Muy bien.
You're learning fast.
Gracias.
quiz section. Let's test your skills. I'll say the number in Spanish. You say it in English.
43,
43,
39,
39,
50,
50, Now I will say the number in English. You say it in Spanish. 42,
42,
34,
34,
49,
49.
You've learned Spanish numbers from 31 to 50. Comment your favorite Spanish number below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new Spanish lesson. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.